So here we're given an expression where we have two terms of x squared minus 11 and x. So we need to solve it for x. And another thing is, as there is no base mentioned here, so by default it will be 10. So now we can write, and as this is in minus term, so we will simply write log 10 x square minus 11 divided by x is equal to 1. So now we want to eliminate this log, so we can simply write this term x square minus 11 by x is equal to, this 10 will go this side and it will come as power. So x square minus 11 is equal to 10x. So x square minus 10x minus 11 is equal to 0. So x square minus 11x plus x minus 11 is equal to 0. So we can take x as common, plus 1, x minus 11 is equal to 0. So it will be x minus 11 into x plus 1 is equal to 0. So x is equal to 11 and x is equal to minus 1. But look at this, if log minus 1, it is undefined, so we can't actually write this, so it's not possible. So the only solution is x equal to 11.